Hey there, curious minds. We've all heard the usual stuff about bacteria. They're tiny, they cause infections, and we wash our hands to avoid them. But trust me, there's a whole secret life of bacteria that's way cooler and way weirder than you think. So today, I've got 10 lesser-known, mind-blowing facts about bacteria that might just change the way you look at the microscopic world living all around you and inside you. Let's dive in. Fact 1. Bacteria have memories. Believe it or not, some bacteria can remember past experiences. No, they don't have brains, but through changes in their internal molecules, they can react faster to familiar environments. It's like a tiny version of learning, without a mind. Scientists have seen this in E. coli and other microbes. Nature's weird, right? Fact 2. Bacteria can survive in space. Space is a vacuum, it's freezing, and it's blasted with radiation. But some bacteria say, bring it on. There's a species called Deinococcus radiodurans, nicknamed Conan the bacterium, that can survive intense radiation, dehydration, and even being in outer space. NASA's tested them on the outside of the International Space Station. Imagine bacteria hitchhiking between planets. Fact 3. Some bacteria shapeshift. Helicobacter pylori, the one that lives in your stomach, can actually change shape to dodge your immune system or antibiotics. It's like a ninja, twisting its body into a new form to stay alive. No wonder it's so hard to get rid of. Fact 4. Frozen for millions of years. Bacteria have been found alive in ancient ice, some over 500,000 years old. Scientists melted ancient Antarctic ice and discovered bacteria that woke up and started reproducing. These microbes are like real-life time travelers from Earth's past. Fact 5. Electric bacteria exist. Yeah, this one blew my mind too. Some bacteria, like Geobacter, can actually generate electricity. They transfer electrons to metal surfaces or electrodes, kind of like mini power plants. Researchers are even building bacterial batteries with them. You might literally be able to charge your phone with bacteria in the future. Fact 6. They talk to each other. Okay, not with words, but bacteria communicate using chemical signals in something called quorum sensing. It's like a group chat where they all agree to act together, maybe to attack your body, form biofilms, or switch genes on. It's teamwork, microbe style. Fact 7. More bacteria than human cells. Did you know that your body has about as many bacterial cells as human cells? Around 30 trillion of each. In fact, your gut bacteria have more genes than your entire human genome. So technically, you're part human and part bacteria, like a walking, talking ecosystem. Fact 8. Some eat pollution. There are bacteria that literally eat oil, plastic, and even radioactive waste. One species helped clean up after the Deepwater Horizon oil spill. Others are being tested to eat ocean plastic or break down toxins. So yeah, some bacteria are like Earth's cleanup crew. Fact 9. No oxygen needed. Some bacteria hate oxygen. They live in places where oxygen would kill them, like deep ocean vents, volcanoes, or inside your gut. And instead of using sunlight or air, they power themselves using chemical reactions, like turning sulfur into energy. They're basically chemical-powered aliens living on Earth. Fact 10. Bacteria can control your brain. Okay, this one's kinda spooky. Some bacteria in your gut can produce neurotransmitters like serotonin or dopamine, the same brain chemicals that affect your mood and emotions. Scientists are finding strong links between gut health and mental health. So next time you feel anxious or calm, thank or blame your gut microbes. Fact 11. They evolve at super speed. Bacteria reproduce every 20 minutes under the right conditions. That means they can go through thousands of generations in days. That's how antibiotic resistance happens so fast. They're basically turbocharged Darwinism. Fact 12. Some bacteria are ancient. Cyanobacteria, The ancestors of today's oxygen-producing bacteria are around 3.5 billion years old. They were the first organisms to perform photosynthesis. Without them, Earth's atmosphere wouldn't have oxygen. Fact 13. They can swap genes like USB drives. Bacteria don't need to reproduce to share DNA. They use something called horizontal gene transfer, swapping genetic material with neighbors. This is how superbugs become resistant to multiple drugs in a short time. Fact 14. Some feed on other bacteria. Delovibrio bacteriovorus is a predator. It hunts, invades, and digests other bacteria from the inside out. It's being explored as a living antibiotic to fight drug-resistant bacteria. Fact 15. They can form superstructures. Bacteria can form biofilms, complex, slimy colonies that stick to surfaces like your teeth, plaque, pipelines, or catheters. Within these biofilms, they communicate, protect each other, and resist antibiotics. They're like microscopic cities with defense systems. So, what have we learned? Bacteria aren't just germs. They're engineers, survivors, communicators, even mood influencers. They've outlived the dinosaurs, adapted to every corner of Earth, and they're still evolving faster than we can keep up. The next time you think of bacteria as gross, remember they're some of the most versatile and powerful life forms on the planet. If you enjoyed this science deep dive, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome facts from the hidden side of life.